Alright, so this is how you do a factory reset with the KORG KROSS V2. Hold the exit shift, and then global. Next, you're going to want to click function. Right now it's at right global setting. You want to go down one, load, preload, demo data. Click the OK. Preparing. Click OK again. Are you sure? And this is it. Now executing. Once it's finished, click the exit button. And as you can see, I still have the DLC content of what I uploaded of the 3 libraries, which is free from the KORG website. Let's go to user real quick. Now in user, you still have all your patches. You don't lose these. You'd have to go in and delete them yourself, manually, each one. The reason why you'd want to do a factory reset is because this keyboard allows you to override and save on the presets that come with it. So these are all my DLC content that I downloaded from the website. So once you do that, everything is now up for editing. But for the most part, everything's back to normal. If you accidentally save over any of the presets, because you can so easily, I'll even show you. Click on function, write program. Now this is where you can overwrite on the patch. You just want to make sure you click on new and you dial in the open patch that you have. .227. So this is where you can save onto that, and I'll even show you. Shunk. And that's that.